So it's been an amazing 3 years. Oh yeah.
It's been a very interesting ride.
A learning experience.
And the experience now one when we say, it go make belle sweet.
Very exciting, very interesting.
It's been pleasant.
It's been a learning curve because doing TV is different from doing radio. You go get goats where they there, sheep go there, baboon go there, cow go there.
Of course, but I think our ups are stronger than our downs. Our downs have brought us stronger.
And that is why it's been so effective.
So no matter as you sabi, there go be other people where you need also. So working and the kind of people where we don't get to, very creative people, and to put TV together, no person fit do am.
So whether I'm the anchor in front of the scene or a producer that's behind the scenes, we need to learn how to work together amicably just for the success of the project. And that's how marriage is, really.
Everybody must chip in one thing or the other. Of course, fight the day, but would they settle up?
In every organization we step into, you're bound to, you're bound to come across different, issues, different challenges, and also bear in mind that we differ as individuals. Your feature as a human is different from mine.
My most annoying moment was when I had a big fight with Obi Martins then, our then producer in the early months. But we're able to resolve it. It didn't escalate to a point that we can no longer control. I won't say I've really had terrible moments, trust me. It's been okay. We've had challenges, but it's part of life. It's what makes life interesting. It's what makes it life.
And as we celebrate our anniversary,
I want to say a massive thank you.
So continue to watch us. I pray say God go to carry us to greater and greater heights. We still be small pikin, no, but say pikin, they grow. And surely, we they grow.
Happy 3rd anniversary. Now we TV.
Now we get them.
And I'm happy to be a part of it. Mwah.
Where the champagne day? I need to propose a toast. Where's the champagne? Okay, palm wine, based on Wazobia things.